Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing your iPhone so changes stick. First, check iOS version. Newer features require up-to-date software. Next, open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Zoom. Turn Zoom on. This gives you control over display scaling. Make sure Zoom region is set to full screen for consistent sizing. Choose Window if you want a movable lens. Once done, double tap with 3 fingers to activate the zoom. This is your immediate way to shrink the visible screen area without changing display resolution. You now refine the screen size. Double tap with 3 fingers and hold, then drag up or down to increase or decrease zoom. This changes how much is visible. If you want fine control, enable the zoom controller in Accessibility. Tap the on-screen controller to open zoom options and adjust increments. For system-wide element scaling, go to Settings, Display and Brightness view and choose Standard or Zoomed. Restart if prompted. Make sure to test apps after switching, because layout differences can shift buttons and text. Finish by polishing readability and stability. If elements still look too large, adjust display and text size options, bold text, larger accessibility sizes, or change view back to standard. Restart the iPhone to apply persistent display scaling cleanly. If gestures misbehave, turn zoom off then back on or reset accessibility settings to default. This often clears overlay issues. One key troubleshooting tip. If the screen stays zoomed and you can't control it, try 3-finger triple tap or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.